Yeah, this was tampi khat ball khe de ji pen khu ituk pen ni lon hele jong. Yeah, this was ball na para no le no na hikin so the ni ram piang kha de ji pen tuk pen na hi. Che khola. Athogen point poi mo pen ta mo. Ko ja hi thil khat na ji lu le no ma pa na bang chim ball leng sum mu nai the de ji pa ho na ki ngai to ping ding do ji to nyang ge na hin. Abana now we will call against Chaitanya.
Is a program to make sure that you earn some livelihood, earn some money and have a decent life until everything goes back to normalcy. Okay, so this is a temporary measure so that you can earn some money, make sure that your kids, your family get some decent living. Okay, you can live on your own self to make sure that things happen. We are introducing along with BCSR and along with the Rural Development Ministry. Okay, and the Popozo efforts has made this program success. So make sure that you produce your dishwash, not only dishwash, other livelihood activities will also be taken up soon once we get enough trainers, okay, so that everyone can have a decent life. Okay, thank you.
Chaitanya again hi akibang ve hi mo hin ko hi gal ta ingoma padai ni le ta soi na hi boy to je hi na ni ta soi na om ki stup thai na ding chi hi ngai to hi chi ya. So let me take this opportunity to introduce my colleagues. He is Stephen Zabit Khan. He is a district coordinator, livelihood as well as social inclusion and social development. And he is Mr. Mong, Pandian Mong. He is a district coordinator of financial inclusion. And our cameraman, Don Colin, he is the boss of Lamka South block. He is a cluster coordinator as well as in charge of Lamka block. And Robert, he is everything from Herzog district. I call him to observe all these things at the program. So he is in charge of Herzog district, Kipaimuk and Vagai Range also. All in all, he is Robert. Then Sason, Dason Lian, he is the district coordinator, block coordinator of Steel, DDUJKY. You can use them. They are very young and energetic. And that Marlene Lal, he is the cluster coordinator of Lamka block, as well as in charge of the Lamka block. That's right. Yeah, any more rooms.
You have to give us more rooms.
And the VLF, the vibrant VLF leaders. Please stand up. When is it? The village level federation of number of SAGs. They will be looking after this training, entire training till marketing. So if they do partnership with other like-minded women organization, or whether they can do it alone, it's up to them now. They don't earn anything. This is a voluntary work for them also, because they think for this best person. Okay, thank you so much. Tony. Momentin na, SAC group tam pikat kiloy kom na leader ho ni. Bong ji lo na tala. Bong VLF. Aki loy kom now, ki khai kom now min chu bong village level federation ki chu. Amani no ya hi SAC no ki tam na. Si tu ya ama hoi si useless ball dan training many ngai ki ko hiwinที่บ่ซบพาเลยอาซูลำจันพาจังยาบาหันนั่นถูกนะไอ้นี่บ่นี่โซนี่ค่อยไหลก็โซเดียมที่เราดิโซอามาเขาเวลบงปีเวลฟอนกูคิวเมนโฮกอยหำจิลายา IPL ฟอหำที่ถูกปีเท่ที่ถูกไปว่าอันโซปีเดียวจีนอีโซใจพาเลยอะโลเทมคันงมดีโซนั่นแหละอะโปรฟิตที่ตัวเนี่ยจิลายาอะบอลโฮนักที่6Dunia objektif hi betul tu begini itu karena hi this was equitable diham. Na pata na video baba na nang ni nang hon koi mahil ngai lo na ki bol thei dio number 1 number 2 chu chi I bol zo par le zo dio bintin alo them khari ngum ni chu chi alo pa hi na ho ki pat san na di na talap ne na di lo ko ba hai na di lo เทมครับสมิงเปลี่ยนคิดเห็นที่ขับไปนะบอลเห็นเดียว an nakipat sa nayo tempa ka so ngum din na ji na ngo nakihop dio ama ho training pe di wang job pe di ama ho lo di ma cham lo ei ho ngai ko na zia chu voluntary work ang bo di di zia chu to ne training bo ngai pata na zaw di mu pata na be dio ma ba na hi nang ma hon koi ma cha hil ngai lo na ki bo the dio ti pa hi ka ki dio a chu phat le ma ba na jong PM detergent sarf bol jan bel jinute na tiok na chirong alam piom dong jai tang ki beto to wa relief center tam hi chu to nya hi sum pi pa ko capital pa ko tam hi jong le mun ta ga kil dang khali PM khat bol thi au kha le man to ji di ta abar ba na man to di chu jai to nya hi he dio khali nang ho khoi lai ko pa ni ba dia ta pia
tam ta ka suot
khoi lai blok kang wai samu lam lan khoi lam blok ni dia
sadar years da
oh chan dia lang na chan dia lang a jong hi MSR lam lut pan choi le long nang ho ko la hung lu khatam lu khanai lo bang chu ki sai thelo na
Vidyamani Sridhar, I am as Commissioner for Manipur. So I am working as AC to DC Churachandra. Okay, Assistant Commissioner. So I am very happy. Today we are going to start this dishwash making program under the National Rural Livelihood Mission (NRLM) and MSRLM. And first of all, I would congratulate Kupuzu, the District Mission Manager for MSRLM, for his efforts in bringing this in practice. Okay. So since May, most of us are displaced, right, and sitting idle in the relief camps from morning to evening. I know how much it is boring, and so in part of introducing skill development and livelihood, so this
translate to ata so yana me ya padin chula
so our main intention is not to make dishwash and make profit from the government. Our main intention is to make some livelihood for you people so that you learn some money and become self-reliant for yourself.
to nya tu ki pe no hi this was tam ta bola ta koi sel so di ti lo ki tuk ta we le nang ho adi nga ma pa na ne le ta hol na ne le cha hol na nang hon thep jil na tu nei ni ada pa ka le go la ka le thai besi come and translate I cannot translate tha
Our main intention is to make you self-reliant so that you learn some money.
Em mà lấy em mai cái ngài cái điện thấy nó thì ngài xin thêm khát em cuốn nó thì thì ngài thì bố là gì nè bố ba mẹ nó cuốn nó cuốn hôi thì ngài thì coi
Our intention is not to make dishwash from the government side, but the only thing is so that you will earn some income from your livelihood and your family, because you have lost your money, you have lost your documents, you lost your people, so that if you earn some money, so that you will feel happy and so that you learn good fame to your family.
này lấy gấu tâm tạ aman zing lain bị ham này lấy cha sum để bay ibu yuto tua sum thêm khát ít khót aku na hung kun phat le chun ilunga lungnop na ung the ding ham ya chu chu ung ki bola hi
So I congratulate Kupuzu first for his efforts in bringing this into practice.
Kupu zau chunga ki pa thu ka sein ka ki pa pi the e
And now we are starting with the 3 relief camps. One is at Bijang. What is the other one? Bijang, New Lanka, and this one Christian Fellowship Church. So 3 places we are starting with dishwash making, and soon we will come up with more activities like others, like pickle making or candle making or poultry or mushroom. We are sending Indian to the government so that as soon as funds are released, we will start these programs under MSR.
tua hi le relief camp kuma bizang lo bu to New Lanka to chilaya hi panna hi mabana dang adang tamta pickle simda na hi lawa hi le adang dang ho dong ki panding hi le kha ka zin I ham kia government na kuna sun ma hum ki mumwa hi le relief camp zo sia adang zong bol bedding to bu na ki village
I would congratulate this Bongpi Vela Federation. Who are these people? Please stand up. So let's give a big round of applause.
Amo hi bumpi VLA fa ko na hi bin amo ho into tadia hi sumle payam ho ako na hi kun do khot
I would request
amo ho in training about you
I would request this VLF people to name these dishwash with the name of the relief camp inmates so that it is made by these.
sir form ki sim chai thale VLA for in hi relief camp mina hi asar min so anasi mo bin request
And the profits will be shared by the inmates of the relief camp who are making this dishwash. Okay?
atunga uma hi relief camp ma ho ki holding
And government will not take any 1 rupee from that profit.
government in atung ho khat cha cha nung la loading
Okay, thank you so much and be active in participating in this.
ka ki pa
Ada hom kat kham kat le kat khem mo cha chen ki na ala asep da non ki to pi ringu azo chan pan ki to pi wa alo tu he de bam alo atong pa chu ama hwa di kilo na lai nang hwa di kin na ti ja hi ata na dau dingu nau chi program ni ki chai tan kasta bo tem kharam kin na lai tem khat son MSRM staff son dingo khare da son yan Amazon yi staff mo block coordinator apa na rabat Amazon kasar coordinator here solvo sakoma apa na sasang ama hi kang bai jong yi sai ko jong ya bo nai apa na mang ngam kamang hin ti ganang da ko bai ma
Ya ti
Chai na pena
ani ni ham yan na
chi na chai no mo bang to yam tui lo chi lai pi
yang ni tamo ni so yang
sodium na phosphorus che hom ja You do not burst, no?
Itu saja bukan ya saya mencuci jenis.
Itu hom na lai. To hi a bol diran be choya na. Izo le nang hom ma na bol de ta.
Makan kita tu.
Nó bỏ đi pha được tùy khuôn là tiền liter thì hội ta hết được chân tùy khuôn kề nhưng lẻo chân khắp tiền nó đã cho khắp tiền cho xuôi lâu đi
To se sun he rom. Tu la chun khat chun ni chun thong to chi tu ni ki lom na. Ni pe ni aki al kom pa le liter som to. Ni bol le hi phat dan na. Tu che phat dan ti ham. Phat dan. Tu che liter som le nga wen na bol ki le sa thau zo ho ro ti 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 le ta. Dai kam khat cái này nè đúng Oh, the color change now.
real color. The real color. Cinema shooting Kishan Kaita.
Ya cấp chỉ cái đẹp luôn rồi.
A simple velema. The first
You tell me something.
Dunia IDP skill training Japan organized by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, funded by India National Rural Livelihood Mission. So Tamdolo capital Tamdong Piakadwa Kibola here. Dunia Atuk Pipe Nahi. This was Tampikat produced in Number 1 internally displaced person ina peni bang mo bolom peni kem kate tikis biadi to le skill build up no mabana ne leta amale ma ki hol tin ding wa hi a skill build up na ding hi training to bia hi to le a profit ana pada hi amau hi punya engage something ki hom dingon amaun bangina jangwai livelihood dang pat na jangwai amau tui ta to peni kazang semte la hampa simai ding tunya he ang sai sa hele village level federation ki SAG tam pi khat ki pol form te aki pol form now ki khai form now village level federation te ni resource person ang pokya dwa amount training apiau to bana marketing lam jong hi amau mo pona to ang bol do hi tunya kang apil ru khare hele marketing vls te chog nang bol wa hele hun so pi khat lut hi manin ke procurement organization ta he no ITL event dio nam kalam hitale zo beng nam betela hoi la ren kai la no pi organization om te ni na ki thwa pi jarwa marketing hoi dewa hi i bol pi wa ya dunia in lum lo lo mam the nang lo ang kal tai ke ama ole ma ong ki to del the ni lam pi ka i bol pi ri mu chi hi tum na to kun chal la kang bol hi thank you
Packaging.
Anybody interested in
Okay.
Ya, kita nak